Ahoy there, viewers! Looks like we're on the lookout for some porch pirates today. You may laugh, but this isn't a kid's tale. Every 3 seconds, another package bites the dust from an unsuspecting recipient. And with an estimated 260 million packages pirated in the US last year alone, which is a shocking 23% increase from 2021, it's a serious concern for all of us. And those are just the numbers we know. Who knows what the count's going to be for 2023? I'm Kathy, a former crime victim turned security professional with over 25 years of experience. Together, let's make sure your deliveries walk the plank no more. If you're living in our increasingly bustling suburban communities like Temecula, Murrieta, or Menifee, your packages are practically waving a red flag to porch pirates. Our charming suburbs, known for their beautiful homes and growing multifamily dwellings, are unfortunately becoming the go-to spots for these modern-day marauders. And for you hardworking commuters spending long hours away from home, your packages are even more enticing. But don't worry, I've got solutions. Let's start with parcel lockers. Parcel lockers are like personal locked mailboxes just for your packages. They keep your delivery safe until you can get to them. Each locker has a lock, so only you or people you choose can open it. You can purchase these lockers on Amazon, Wayfair, Costco, and even at your local Home Depot. They range anywhere in price from $80 to $600, and there's a locker to accommodate every budget and to meet your specific needs. And you know what's great? These lockers can be conveniently placed on your porch. The delivery person can simply place your package in them and lock it. Simple as that. Your package is safe from any package thieves lurking around. And here's a community solution. For those of you living in multifamily dwellings like condos or apartment homes, or even in neighborhoods with a homeowners association, consider talking to your property management about installing communal parcel lockers. It's not just a smart move, it's a collaborative approach to ensure everyone's packages are safe from would-be thieves. Now let's talk about another solution. Locker services like Amazon Locker and UPS Access Point. These locker services provide secure locations throughout your community for you to pick up your packages. Think of them as your own personal secure mailbox away from home. They're practically in your neighborhood. You'll find Amazon lockers at stores such as Staples and UPS lockers at UPS stores. Here's a pro tip. They're ideal for apartment dwellers, frequent travelers, or if you're having a really expensive item shipped and you don't want to take any chances. And for those of you who might be, let's say receiving too many Amazon Prime packages to the point where your spouse or your partner is starting to question your online shopping habits, well, these lockers can be our little secret. Shh. Seriously, though, locker services can really help us reclaim our peace of mind when it comes to securing our deliveries. And for you tech lovers out there, don't overlook the power of technology when it comes to securing your packages. Video doorbells, security cameras, smart locks, they're all part of the tech arsenal you can deploy. So let's take a moment to focus on video doorbells, particularly one of the latest on the market, the First Alert VX1 from Resideo. It's more than just a doorbell. It's like a digital security guard standing watch at your doorstep, distinguishing between people, packages, vehicles, and even animals, all thanks to its intelligence capabilities. And here's the kicker. It has a built-in siren to scare off those audacious porch pirates. And you can manage it all from the Total Connect app on any mobile device. You can also view HD video and you can receive intelligent event notifications alerting you to those porch pirates. So, yes, tech lovers, you can indeed tech your way out of package theft. Now, let's talk about the power of community. Local communication tools like the Nextdoor app and neighborhood Facebook groups, they are excellent ways to keep all of your neighbors informed about suspicious activities and local incidents. A connected community is a safer community. And it's not just about stopping package theft. It's about being there for each other when it counts. For example, once I had a very expensive dress delivered for my daughter's prom. UPS was ahead of schedule, and how often does that happen? But the dress arrived a day early, and it was while we were on a day trip 2 hours away. The last thing that you want is a $500 dress sitting unattended all day long on your porch, right? Fortunately, I received a notification from my video doorbell and I saw the dress being delivered. I was able to quickly text my neighbor and they kindly came over and they grabbed the dress off my porch and they stored it for us until we returned. So don't underestimate the power of being on good terms with your neighbors. After all, they might just save your packages when you least expect it. Now, despite our best efforts, there may come a time when, unfortunately, you still become the victim of package theft. So what do you do then? File a police report. Don't think of it as a futile effort. Even if you don't recover your package, it helps law enforcement to build a case against these thieves. And keep in mind, here in California, package theft isn't just a minor inconvenience for the thieves. It's a misdemeanor offense punishable by up to a year in jail and a $1,000 court fine. So always report these incidents. Let's not make it easy for them. Now, let's keep the conversation going. What solutions have you found to protect your packages? Have you tried locker services or tech solutions? Go ahead and drop your experiences in the comments section. Let's learn from each other and build a safer community. Remember to like and comment and share this video if you found it useful. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content about security and crime prevention. Until next time, remember, stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't let yourself be a victim of crime. And don't let porch pirates plunder your packages.